Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.7, Problem 22. This is Section 1.7, Problem 22. We have 264 divided by 18. Or you could read it as 18 goes into 264 how many times? Well, this is a big enough problem you can't just divide it in your head, like 18 will go into 36 twice, something like that is easier to do. So what I have to do first is just focus on the 26 and ask myself, how many times will 18 go into 26? Well, it'll only go in once. If I try and do it twice, it's bigger than the 26. So I'll put it in one time. 1 times 18 is 18, so I write that 18 under the 26. Now I'm going to subtract. 26 minus 18 is 8, and now I go over one digit to the right and bring that digit down, which is a 4. It comes down next to the 8 that I had before from the subtraction, so now I have 84. So now I ask myself, 18 will go into 84 how many times? Well, you can start reasoning it out. 1 time is 18, that's not big enough. Twice is 36, still not big enough. 3 times is 54, still not big enough. 4 times, that seems good. And if you get it wrong on the first guess, that's okay. You can adjust it. 4 seems like it'll work well. So now if I multiply, 8 times 4 is 32. So I'll write the 2 from the 32 and then carry the 3 from the 32 over to the top of the next digit. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 more is 7. And then I can subtract 84 minus 72. Well, the 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1, so 84 minus 72 is 12. There is no next digit to bring down, and the 12 is smaller than the 18, so we can stop there. The answer is 14 with a remainder of 12. So I'll put 14, capital R for remainder, 12.